Charlotte. So we are here for the MSC Seascape inaugural naming service or ceremony. So we are in room 14129. They have these up here, so you can hit like do not disturb or makeup room. Your box for your lights, and I'm just using, guys, an old like pass holder card. This is your lights. Turn them off, but we need them on. Your thermostat, your lights to go into the bathroom, right there. This is the bathroom. Hey guys. Right, so you have a towel rod there, another towel rod. This right here is the shower. It's pretty big. It's a good size one, and it looks like it even has a little thing for your like your feet if you want to like shave your legs. The toilet, a little cabinet that actually has extra toilet paper, tissues, trash can, your bath mat, your toilet paper, little containers to put your like toothbrush in. It has, and this I already used, I took off my makeup, just some extra shelving, again more towels. And guys, if you guys, I highly recommend bringing this whenever you go on a cruise. Your soap dispenser, that, your faucet, and then a pretty good size mirror, like get ready mirror. So then when you walk out of here, you have some hooks right here on your outside area, connecting door. This is the looking into the room. So we are actually in a Bella category, and so you have some extra space here, paper, plastic, and food, extra shelves, an ice bin, some cups. You have your mini bar, but they have it locked for us. Let's see, you have a nice vanity right here, and then you have your hair dryer already in there, and there's the vanity. I do like this though. They have the phone on the wall, and then they have a big screen TV, which I absolutely love. These are mine that I brought, but I have my charge, and then I have my cruise approved charger, and it has a USB-C and a USB. And then they do have 2 European plugs, so I did bring plugs for that as well. And then this is the nice little living area. And then over here we have our closet. So we just have our, like, what we're going to wear tomorrow since we're flying out. But it also has an in-room safe, has plenty of drawers down there. And then over here on this side, it's just another place where you can put anything in there if you're staying for longer than one night. Nice little decor in here. I love all the lights. It's super bright. Then you have your bed and a cute little nightstands on both sides. And I believe on this side they also have a USB-C plug. And then, oh, it does light up. And then this is to get out of the balcony. You have to put it up and then flip this out. And this is the balcony. It's a pretty good sized balcony. I have to say, I think it's actually bigger than the one that was on the Divina. So I'm pretty impressed. And it comes with a footstool and then 2 chairs. And then this is our view from the ship. So of course we're not leaving port, so we're just staying in port. But welcome to, I believe that's Brooklyn over there. I think that's Brooklyn Bridge down there. But welcome to Manhattan. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and let me know.